Welcome to English with Sir Tahir. Our today's topic is types of presentations. I have already recorded lectures on presentations, oral presentations, and what are the factors which make your presentation successful. So we will discuss different types of presentation. Basically, there are three types of presentations, and my method of describing types of presentation in English, direct method. Definition. First, understand a presentation is a means of communication which can be adapted to various speaking situations. What are the various speaking situations, such as talking to a group, addressing a meeting, or briefing a team? So, these things can be the part of presentation, and there are six different types of presentation. So, we will discuss one by one. Number one is informative. These presentations are brief and to the point. They generally stick to the facts and avoid complicated information. It means it is simple, instructive, instructional, giving education information, because heading is informative. Usually used to describe facts, usually best for other experts. Organized from most important topic to least, best for breaking big information down into small. It means most important information comes first, less information, informative information goes later on. Last point, examples include university lectures, schools, classes, and research results. It means related to education, informative. Teachers and professors and lecturers delivers their lectures in the classroom, so it is informative. Most important information comes first, and less important information goes later on. Then instructional means giving instruction. These presentations give specific directions or orders. It is designed to teach something completely new to the audience, because it is instructional. So, teaching something new completely to the audience, you are giving new information and you are instructing them. Very thorough and usually takes a long time. It takes long time. It is little longer. All the theory, the knowledge from the basic steps to checking the audience understanding. Last point is examples include tutorial classes, safety demonstrations, and instructional videos. Through instructional videos you can also give your presentation, but it will be called instructional presentation. Second type of presentation. Then arousing, a presentation designed to make the audience consider the topic or discussion, to rouse interest and emotions, to make audience receptive. In this type of presentations, a presenter tries to arouse the audience interest on his product, whatever he is selling or telling about. Usually involves a lot of powerful language and enthusiastic discussion. Often uses stories or real life examples of the topic to rouse interest. If you have good experiences of life, so you share in arousing presentation to the audience. Can describe a solution to a problem and gain audience approval. Examples include a debate, church sermon, or motivational speech, etc. Then persuasive means try to persuade. When you try to persuade your audience, then you use a persuasive presentation. You give, it is a fourth one, presentation persuasive, to make listeners accept and agree with the presenter's proposal. I want to give some proposal to the audience, so definitely I have to make my listeners accept and agree with me. Very persuasive, usually showing supporting facts and advantages to reinforce credibility. Definitely, if I want the audience to be agree with me, so I have to keep facts and show the facts in front of the audience and advantages of these whatever the product I am going to sell. Often highly emotional, it helps to gather support and approval. Presents problem. the presenter's solution and all the reasons behind it for agreement. The presenter first shows the problem and then tells the solution in persuasive presentation. Example include political debates, business proposals. Normally, when you watch talk shows and programs, so there's the political debates as well and business proposals. Decision making. A presentation designed to convince listeners to act on the presenter's proposal, usually by giving evidence and pointing out what can happen if this is not done. It means the every pros and cons is told by the presenter for taking the decision from the audience side. Can include a description of a problem that the audience, society, certain people face and examples. Then presenters often compare the two predictions about what will happen if the listeners do or do not do what they suggest. Because it is a presentation where the audience has to take decisions, so presenter keeps all the you could say problems in front of the audience and tells the solution to them. Example include business meetings, bank promotions and law discussion in the government. Then the last, solving a problem, number 6. This could be in a panel setting or other meeting where the problem is identified. If there is a problem, so group of people sit together and tries to solve the problem. The facts of the problem are presented and a list of causes is generated. From here you lay out the ideal outcome, present situations and discuss your recommendations. These are the, you could say, 6 types of presentations. Thank you for watching.